Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Switch here with a first video introduction to AI. Basically, we're just going to start to learn basics of Chatgpt. So, I just started my journey with AI like a month ago. I already passed like 4 courses. It's like super basic courses on the website Coursiv. Don't ask me why I chose that. I just randomly chose some website. I'm just gonna carry on with this. I'm just gonna show you briefly what's going on. So basically, I passed the 4 courses. Right now, we're just going to jump into the Chatgpt. So it's going to be quite few lessons, but don't be worried about this. Don't be alarmed. It's like super easy and super like basic stuff. So I'm currently obviously on the Coursiv website, but I will be using the phone to not read the stuff. I will be using the phone to basically using the AI to read the content. So it will be much easier, much faster, and everybody can understand because my English is not fluent, so some people might struggle with accent, whatever. Whatever it is going to be much faster. So we are currently on the website, and then you will have the spreadsheet, the cheat sheet on my website. So when you're going to jump to the switchtopro.com, you will see the AI basics from the Coursiv course. And then you will go to the Chatgpt, you will go to the basics, and you will go to the first lesson. And when you're gonna press that first lesson, you have introduction to that. I'm not going to read that just simply to not waste my time and not waste your time. But at the end of the day, the long story short, basically you have all answers from that lesson, which you currently will be listening or reading. And you have everything inside my website. So basically what you need to do, you just need to grab like a book. That's going to be the best example. Just take the book and just write down, because if you are the person like started like me, you have no idea what's going on for the last year. Luckily, I lost my job, so I can actually start to learn that. So like, I'll just give you the first example. Like last year, I wasn't like into AI at all. Like I wasn't into anything at all, because simply I just been like at work from Monday to Friday for 12 hours, and then Saturday and Sunday I was just chilling out and maybe read some books and maybe watch some movies. And suddenly 2 months ago I just lost my job, and I just carry on with learning and AI and just open my mind like you can actually improve yourself on daily basis and be excited about something. So yeah, it's 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna jump do it. So the best tool is just to take like a book, or do a screenshots, or do the notes, and you will get it. Everything is super easy. Basically, my approach is to learn the people like I am, like you smart guy, but nobody guides you to actually how to unlock your potential. So that's what I'm gonna do on this channel. Righty, so everything is on the website. Starting with the lesson, I'm gonna do the full screen. Basically, from the phone, we just carry on right now with the Chatgpt, and just shut the fuck up right now. You listen to it, and we're just gonna do this like super smooth and super fast.
What is ChatGPT? Hey there, I'm Alex. We're diving into the world of ChatGPT, an advanced large language model, LLM. If you're just starting out using AI, you're in the right place. Here, you'll explore what an LLM is and how ChatGPT works. I'll even throw in some practical exercises to introduce you to the basics of prompt engineering, the most important term in the AI world. Ready? Let's get started. What is a large language model? Picture a giant library filled with every book, article, and web page ever written. Now, imagine a super smart librarian who has read everything in that library and can understand and generate human-like text based on all that knowledge. That's essentially what an LLM is. These models are called large because they're trained on massive amounts of text data. They learn patterns, relationships, and structures in language, allowing them to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses to prompts or questions. In turn, ChatGPT is like the above-mentioned super smart librarian, but with a special focus on engaging in conversations. So, ChatGPT is an LLM developed by OpenAI that is designed to understand and generate human-like text in a chat format. But how does ChatGPT actually work? It's a bit like a game of word prediction. When you give ChatGPT a prompt or ask it a question, it looks at the words you've used and predicts the most likely next word based on its training. It does this over and over, building up a response word by word. For example, if you start a sentence with "the cat sat on the," ChatGPT might predict "mat" as the next word, because it's seen that pattern many times in its training data. But it's not just about individual words. ChatGPT understands context and can generate complex, meaningful responses. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, so it's gonna open the playground. We have just 2 words, but the idea of this is to not waste time at all. So later on, we are going to have much longer prompts. So basically, I will use my spreadsheet, excuse me, cheat sheet. That's what I meant. Like basically, I can just take a look. Obviously, this is like super easy, and the sentence we're starting with the big letter. So even if that's going to be like, I don't know, in Spanish, you should know to just do like that and pretty much carry on with that. The most important part of this basic course is obviously to have knowledge to understand what you're doing, but then you have to also understand, like, when you know how to prompt, you don't really need to care much about the answer, like, because these are just examples. So we're just going to carry on all the time with examples, and normally you're probably not gonna use those prompts in the real life at all, because basically you just focus on your tasks and you will be prompting in the way what you need to basically carry on with your workflow faster, whatever. Okay, so great job. I'm just gonna carry on. Like I said, I'm not really focusing here what we prompt much, just simply because the idea is to understand the basics, how to prompt, not really like this to like not really to memorize this exactly, because in the real world you will be using different prompts. Everything you have on the website, so that's why I don't need to read that at all, because you can read everything obviously on the website. It's already on the website. That prompt will be always the same from the program, so you can just jump to the website and you can see everything. Okay, so you can press continue, although I need to do that on the phone as well. Oh my god. Okay, continue.
This is how ChatGPT uses patterns from the data it was trained on and generates responses. Cool, right? Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Okay, so what we have here, open the playground. Can you help me with best recipe? Jesus, I don't remember what was that. Can you help me by sharing the best recipe to make a sandwich? Okay. Okay. The best. Can you help me by sharing the best recipe to make a sandwich? You see, I don't remember. I've done this like a week ago. I don't remember already. Obviously, you're supposed to focus on the question and prompt properly, but like I said, I just trying to basically do this as fast as possible and everybody can grasp what's going on. And for those who want to learn properly, just jump to the website. Okay, continue.
Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Ha ha ha. What was the last one? So yep, we can go here. Yep, that's supposed to be. No, it's different. I didn't check at all. I just thought it's gonna be okay. Yeah, it's randomized. Okay, so it combines. Okay, yeah, I was just checking that. So that's the answer, the proper answer you have on the website. So how do you think the ChatGPT responds when you ask for a sandwich recipe? It's combined its understanding on sandwiches, cooking techniques, and common preferences. Okay, so I'm just going. It combines. Okay, that's the one.
Moreover, ChatGPT remembers what you're talking about and can adjust its future responses accordingly. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay, so we have right now, I am vegetarian. Can you refine your answer accordingly? So vegetarian, refine. Okay, gonna go.
As you can see, ChatGPT has the ability to maintain context throughout a conversation. Yet, without guidance, its answers are not 100% what you need most of the time. This is where the importance of prompt engineering arises. While LLMs are sophisticated pattern recognition systems trained on vast amounts of text data, Prompt engineering is the art of effectively communicating with these language models. In these terms, prompt engineering is all about crafting the right input to get the desired output from an LLM like ChatGPT. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Okay, another one. Another playground. So we have the give me a clarification. Excuse me. Yeah, give me a specific recipe. So I would not need to think about the ingredients. Okay. Give me specific ingredients. Yeah. And then a little bit of text.
So, if you prompt your commands effectively, you can use ChatGPT to achieve your goals successfully. And making a sandwich is just a simple example of how LLMs can be helpful. In fact, there are various applications from customer service to content creation, where prompt engineering skills can be utilized to optimize your time and profit with AI. In this sense, as a beginner prompt engineer, your main focus should be on how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT to get the best results. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. The world of LLMs and prompt engineering is full of exciting possibilities, and you're just getting started. I can't wait to see what you'll create.
Okay, so we finished the lesson. As you can see, those examples are kind of bizarre because you're not gonna prompt ChatGPT to ask how to make a sandwich, right? That's why it's so basic stuff to everybody. So like I said, my approach is to basically show to the people who are not like tech savvy at all, who just don't know what's AI and then think it's like, oh my god, they're just thinking about like programming or doing some engineering stuff. No, we can learn basics and we can actually make money from that basics, and that's what I'm going to show you guys here, and hopefully I will make money as well. But at the end of the day, I'm super excited, super happy to learn AI. That's why that's the idea, to basically share that passion for the people, to start opening their own businesses and start to learn AI. So, okay, so that's it for now then. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys in the next video. I will try to do this even faster, though. Although 12-15 minutes is okay, but we have to understand some lessons will be 50 minutes, and then probably video will be half an hour. So sorry about that if it's too far, if it's too long. But like I said, one more time, you can get everything on the website. So thank you very much, guys, one more time for the watching. If you want to ask some questions, or if you want to support me with my journey with AI, you have all stuff in the description below, like referral links for the newsletter, which I'm subscribing. And if you will subscribe, I will get the basically new tools so I can share on the channel. It's not like I'm getting any money, but I will get new tools like AI programs, AI courses, some other stuff, which I will ultimately share with you on my website, YouTube, Google Drive, yada. So, and also I'm the student of Wealthy Affiliate. So if you want to open and jumpstart your business, just go to the other playlist, which I will be, well, I'm actually opening my own business, learning from them. And maybe you want to open your own brand as well this year. So just go and check that as well. So one more time, thank you very much, guys, for watching. See you guys, take care, and bye for now.